This is very interesting questions. Question number 13. Among 100 students, X1 have birthdays in January, X2 have birthdays in February, and so on. If x not equal to maximum of x1 x2 till x12, then the smallest possible value of x naught is what? We have to calculate the smallest value of x naught among maximum of x1 x2 x12. So for calculating the smallest possible values of x naught and maximum of this, we have to make x1 x2 till x12 closest as much possible, or we can say that the equal if possible, right? So we know their total are 12, that x1 will be Jan, x2 will be February as given in the questions, x3 will be March, right? Like this, x12 will be, this will be basically the December. So we'll divide 100 students equally among these 12. So if we divide by 100, if we divide 100 by 12, what we'll get is 11 point something, or we can say that yeah, you can say 11 point something, right? More than 8, but as we know that the students will be integers, so what we can say that it should be 8 8 8 8 8, but 12 times of 8 will give us 96. The four students that left, that we can say that will, x1 will take, let's say, one more, x2 will take one more, or any of these 12 will take one more, one more, one more, one more, or we'll get the number like this: 8 8 8, 8 times 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is 8 times of 8 will give us 8 8 is a 64, and the 4 that left, that we will give 9, one more. This is 9 9 and 9. So total we have 12, 8 plus 4 is 12, and this is 8 8 is a 64 and 9 4 is a 36, hence we completed the 100, right? So now we have to calculate the maximum among these. So maximum among these is basically the 9, and that is the least possible. As because the question says the smallest possible values, that's why we did this. If the question is not about the smallest possible values, it is possible that, let us say that almost 100 students have birthday on January only, right? So for this smallest possible values, we have to calculate like this. So here the answers will be minimum of all will be 9, that is basically the maximum of x1 x2 x12. So the answer is 9.